Well, hey everybody, it's Steve at Thousand Year Home. Usually I'm working in the Connex, or I'm having fun when I should be working in the Connex. But today we finally had enough rain around here in Texas that I believe I could go ahead and safely mow. And I want to show you a little bit here. Let me rotate. So there's my horse. So this weed that you see out here, it's called silverleaf nightshade. As far as I know, nothing eats it but the butterflies. But the butterflies have come and gone, and this weed is just flowered, and it's getting ready to seed. And I think if I get my there you go. If I get my mower deck on, which I haven't been able to put on all summer, and get out here and chop these down, I think I'll get them before they go to seed. See, the flowers have just folded up, and I think I'll get them before they go to seed, and I'll be able to get rid of the silver nightshade. Now, they tell you that you can't mow this stuff, but this is kind of a typical field. And my pasture is loaded, so gentleman who's leasing the cattle, he's going to come up and shred and throw some ryegrass in there this fall, the end of this week. But this field, in the middle of summer, you see this field, I went out with the weed whacker, and I just weed whacked it with all by myself. And I'm telling you that I think that silverleaf nightshade will not come back when it's mowed. So there's where I stopped mowing. You can see it's come up. So I'm slowly pushing it away from the house, but nothing can eat it. Anything called nightshade, right, isn't something that the average anything can eat. Some of this makes little berries, and I think it's all nightshade, and some of it makes a little sticky thing. So a little like tomato, like they look like little tomato plants, but they're not. They're death plants. What did I call them? Death tomatoes. Death tomatoes. All right, I've got the backhoe all the way off. So I'm getting ready to put my top links on and my side arms. And look what I found. I found that bolt is loose, and that bolt is loose. That bolt is loose. So this one dropped the nut, but I had found the nut earlier this year while I was working, so I had it in there and I couldn't find where it went. Now I know a little bit more about my tractor. Anyway, I put on my side links and my top link after I tighten up all those nuts. All right, well, I wasn't real pleased to find those loose, and I'm still not real pleased with the way I tightened them. But I don't have a wrench that big. What kind of farmer am I? I don't know. I am a farmer in need of a bigger wrench. All right, I'm going to put on the side links and the top link, and away we'll go. Let me see if I can prop you up. All right, the next step is to put on my side links and my top link. And I'm not the one that packed these up when the backhoe was put on. It was put on at the shop. So maybe they adjusted these, maybe they didn't, the sway bars. We'll find out. Alright. Maybe a little. Maybe they did a little. Alright. I put that on wrong. There we go. one's all the way to the last one. I don't know about that. What if I do that? All right, so I'm gonna need to maybe guess. I'm guessing. We'll find out when I put my mower deck on it. Again, I didn't take it apart, so I don't know if they moved these bars or what that was doing last. All right. So again, the link to raise and lower is in the middle. The sway bars on the side. This angle bend is in. It all looks good to me. Now this one wasn't loose. The pin wasn't pulled on it, so I'm gonna guess that this one's right, but I don't know that for a fact. All right. Boy, oh boy. A little worried about that, raising and lowering, damaging my hydraulics. Just doesn't feel right. Where you been, baby girl? I've been working here without you.
I see that. I've been out for a walk and I walked my dog.
You did? He came home and ate.
Yeah.
I fed him. I had some clam chowder, and he came home. He went.
Of course he did.
He sits there and cries when he's at your place, and then when he has to walk, he doesn't know if he likes that.
Yeah, I can't believe I outwalked him. I was like, really?
You did. You outwalked him. Very good. The girl outwalked the wolf. Excellent. All right, let's see if I did that right. So, my side links, mounted for the raise and lower. I really don't like that. I'm going to take a look at that a little more. These got cutter safety pins in. I'm missing look. Good thing I double checked it. I'm missing a couple of lynch pins. Alright. Alrighty. So I put on a different hat when you inspect your own work. You do the work and then you inspect the work. This is hard to do with one hand. Come on. Get in there. Get in there. Of course not. Come on. Come on. Oh my God, I'm going to have to put you down. Jiminy Christmas. All right, just so you know, I'm going to put pins in there and in there. All right, what did I do? I took off the backhoe. Check. So you saw me do that. I put on the 3-point hitch on the back. Check. You saw me do that. So the next thing then is to mount my mower deck. All right, I showed everything else. Why not show the 3-point hitch? So I like this because I could put things on and off. You see how long it took me to do this, and I took a break and done some things. But so the 3-point hitch lets me put things on super quick. Once it's on, then. And I got this one at Harbor Freight Tools. I understand you can spend a lot more money. And they're all kind of the same quality. There's not one that's super better than another one. I normally have a hammer out here with this and the tractor, but I'm using the hammer in the house. Filled up. So here I am. All right. There we go. All right. So there's my 3-point hitch all hooked up. Now I should be able to just pick my mower deck up, which I've already got the bushings on it. And away we go. I'm going to spray everything with WD-40 before I start the season, though. All right, so I'm going to clamp down my mower. I'm also going to check the gear lube in it and fill it up if it needs it. And I think I'm ready to mow. right, and the last thing I want to check, I mowed a little bit here. I just want to check the gearbox and everything, make sure it's not too hot for mowing. The skies here, they still look pretty good. I'm supposed to have some more rain. Let me see here. 85 degrees. All right. Check the blades. 84. All righty, I'm happy. 88, 89. 123 on the exhaust pipe. All right, 140 on the exhaust. But the gearbox and everything. All right, and it was running really quiet, so I know I did a good tune-up on it. So there we go. 84 on the gearbox. I feel good. Unless I hit a stone and all the planets align for a fire, I won't get one. I saw the city's mowing and the county's mowing, so I feel safe. All right. This is Steve. Like, subscribe, follow me along, do all those good things. Thank you.